Okay, we're going to put the wheel linkage on now, the wheel cap covers to the linkage, the little caps. So let's go back to place. Let's open up the right folder. Let's click on part number 8, the linkage pegs. Press OK. Okay. So we're going to bring in 2 because I'm going to do this side of the train first. Click on 1, then 2, and I'm going to free rotate them. And let's get them to where they're halfway looking like they're supposed to be. And I just realized something. This hole, this post is too big for that hole. My God. And I remember these parts. Let's look at the drawing real quick. They said the diameter is 0.125. And on the wheel, the hole that goes in is showing 0.0625. So they made us make it too big. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to fix these. So let's come over and double click on them. And let's go right click and hit open. Okay, here's our part. So now let's right click on the top one. Because the reason I'm right click on the top one is because look, when I take my mouse over there, see this is the what we did. The top and the bottom of the circles light up. Okay, so this is what we edited them on. So let's edit sketch so we can edit the size of our hole. See that? There it is. So let's double click on that. Let's put 0.063 and hit enter. Okay, it made the hole smaller. Bottom of our post is smaller. Let's hit save. So let's close this one out. Back here. Oh, look at that. They shrunk to the perfect size. How about that? So let's hit constraint. Let's go with our center line. And our center line, because we clicked on both of them, hit apply. Now let's click on this face and spin it around. Click on this face and that, hit apply. And that looks really good. So now let's click on the center line on, because we're still on mate and mate, so that's okay. So we're going to click on center line there and click on the center line for that one. Okay, moved over. Now I'm going to cheat this time without moving it around, and I'm going to click on mate, and this time I'm going to click on my outside of my circle and my face, and it moved in. Or did it? No, it did not. Dadgummit. And I think the reason being is that didn't line up. So let's try that again. Let's get center line. Okay, it lined up this time. And now we're going to get the outside of this and the face of this. And hit apply. Okay, so you saw that. We went from having a little trouble because the sizes were off to fixing the problem without too much trouble. Okay, so remember, you can do that. You can always edit this here to make it work in the assembly page. Okay, so now it's off to the races with the train.